Don't mess with the Boy Scouts. They'll find candy anywhere, even underground. Check out even more fun ideas on our new channel, Woohoo! Subscribe to enjoy silly pranks and useful life hacks. Follow the link in the description. Welcome to summer camp! We are about to go on a very special hike. You need to remember safety rules when you are out in the wild. And don't forget about wild bears. Let's learn how to stay safe around bears using some delicious cookies. Roll out gingerbread dough in a thin layer. Use a template to cut out the shape of a bear paw. And some bear outlines. Bake the cookies for 20 minutes. Melt white and dark chocolate. Use a pastry bag to decorate the finished cookies. If you see a bear or bear tracks on the ground, run away! And if a bear starts attacking you, just use your head. Trick the bear and save yourself! Got it? No, thank you. I don't want to spend my summer running from wild animals. Bye-bye, bears! Miss Smith, the Scout troop leader, shows us what merit badges we can earn over the course of camp. But the sneaky Scouts already swapped them out for snacks. Separate an egg white. Beat it with a mixer. Add 7 ounces of powdered sugar. Mix it in. Add food coloring to the icing. Draw merit badges on crackers. Make a few different designs. Now let's go! Our first task is to find our camp in the woods. Yay! We did it! And here's our reward! Delicious badges! This is our first snack as Survival Scouts. The head Girl Scout knows how to get this camp in order. Great work! But we already figured out how to prank our troop leader. Miss Smith discovered something crucial. Grab a magnifying glass and follow me. Melt a pound of hard lemon candy in a pot. Put an old magnifying glass without a lens on parchment paper. Coat the inner surfaces with oil. Press the magnifying glass to the parchment paper and pour the melted candy inside. Let the lens cool and harden. A bear came through here! If what I'm seeing through my magnifying glass is correct, it went right to Miss Smith's tent. Save yourself, ma'am! My magnifying glass never lies! Psst, you want a cookie? We are not allowed to have candy at summer camp, but we can always sneak something through in our pockets. Put cookies into Ziploc bags. Attach strips of Velcro. Put a label with the name of each type of cookie on each bag. Stick the bags to the inside of a raincoat. Glue a menu to the other side. Glue pockets made out of the same fabric as the raincoat to the front where the Velcro is. Hey, where'd you get this? From a cookie dealer! But unfortunately, our supervisor shut down the operation. Let's swap Miss Smith's paints for chocolate. Melt white chocolate. Add different food colorings. Pour the chocolate into sauce bottles. Attach matching labels. Time for a lesson on how to fight bears. Let's stretch plastic wrap over some trees and paint a realistic model of a bear. This is a fierce and bloodthirsty predator. Now show me how you'd fight it. Easy! We'll just eat it. Miss Smith is tired. Drinking some lemonade in the shade while the scouts are hard at work sounds like paradise. Shh! Our leader fell asleep. We can prank her with a bear finger. Hot glue a fluffy brown hair scrunchie. Fill it with synthetic stuffing. Glue it shut. Make a bear claw out of light clay. Cover it with clear nail polish and glue it to the end of the scrunchie. Attach a keychain piece to the other side. Let's toss the bear claw into a glass of lemonade. Jumped into my lemonade! Somebody help! The main thing a wilderness survival scout has to do is explore their surroundings. We are hard at work, and now we are tired. So let's play a lemonade game. Pour lemonade into balloons. Use a funnel. Knot the balloon and tie it to some twine. Hang the lemonade balloons over some cups. Whoever hits a balloon with a dart will get a cup of lemonade. Nice! Got it! Now I can have my hard-earned lemonade. The scouts are on a hunt. And here's their prize, a huge marshmallow to toast over the fire. Pour water over 3 tablespoons of gelatin. Use about 6 fluid ounces. Let the gelatin soak. Then heat it up in the microwave. Mix 24 ounces of sugar and 6 ounces of water. Cook it down to make sugar syrup. Mix the melted gelatin and the syrup. Beat the liquid with a mixer until it gets thick and white. Coat a plastic bucket with vegetable oil and cover it with Saran wrap. Pour the white mixture inside. Cover it with Saran wrap. And put it in the fridge overnight. When the marshmallow is done, take it out of the mold. Mix equal parts powdered sugar and cornstarch and sprinkle the marshmallow with it. This is the mother of all marshmallows! One portion will be enough for the whole camp to share. Let's take a break and play a game. We need to get these balls through this maze, but the game will be even more fun if we use Raffaello balls instead. Make a maze out of Lego bricks. Hot glue it to a piece of cardboard. Put Raffaello candies inside. Now blow as hard as you can through a straw. Whoever's candy makes it to the finish line first wins. Yes! I'm gonna win! Sorry, Alex. I love Raffaello too much. Even though cookies aren't allowed at camp, Miss Smith just couldn't resist. Where are my sweet matches? Cut pretzel sticks to be the size of matches. Dip the ends into melted dark chocolate. Put the sticks into a matchbox. Eating matches on a hot summer day is delightful! I can't believe my eyes! Scout Smith is breaking camp rules! No! You are imagining things! These are just matches! Where are my scouts? Oh, I see! They are munching in their tents! Give me your snacks and go do your laundry! But we planned ahead! We'll hide our snacks in our socks. Nobody will even notice! Just as long as we don't mix up the clean and dirty socks. Time to learn how to make friendship bracelets. But my friendship bracelet is the yummiest of them all. Cut a rainbow sour bell into strips. Pin the end down with a thumbtack and weave a bracelet. Heat the other end with a lighter and glue the candy. Connect the ends of the candy to make a bracelet. An edible friendship bracelet? Yep! Try yours too! I bet it's just as delicious! Haha! Newbie scouts are so gullible! Miss Smith is lecturing us about what mushrooms are edible. Be sure to remember which ones are poisonous. Now go find some mushrooms! Why do we need random fungi from the woods if we already have our own sweet mushrooms? Crumble 5 small chocolate cupcakes. Mix the crumbs with whipped cream. Put the chocolate mixture into a plastic half sphere covered with Saran wrap. Press it down. Put in a wooden skewer. Make a mushroom stem. Refrigerate it until it hardens. Take the sweet mushroom out of the mold. Sprinkle the lower part with cocoa powder. Melt white chocolate chips. Add pink and blue food coloring. cover the mushroom caps. Let the glaze harden. These mushroom cake pops are delicious! But Miss Smith sees her scouts eating mysterious mushrooms. Oh no! Miss Scout, calm down! They are yummy! The scouts broke the rules, so they'll get punished, and Miss Smith will eat the rest of the cake pops. Did you like our pranks and recipes for summer camp? Comment below how you'll sneak treats into camp. Will you make an edible merit badge, dig up a huge marshmallow, or eat a soft chocolate mushroom? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new pranks from Troom Troom.